Welcome, everyone. In today's presentation, we'll be exploring why health is our most valuable asset. We'll look at the different facets that make up well-being and discuss practical strategies for maintaining and enhancing health. By the end, you'll be equipped with insights you can use to build a healthier, more prosperous life. Health is much more than just the absence of illness. According to the World Health Organization, it's a holistic concept that includes physical, mental, and social well-being, all closely interconnected. Each of these aspects influences the others, meaning true health comes from caring for the whole person, not just treating symptoms. When health is compromised, the effects extend far beyond the individual. There are direct financial costs, such as medical bills and treatment expenses, and wider economic impacts like absenteeism and lost productivity. Poor health can also mean a lower quality of life, with reduced independence and enjoyment in daily activities. Protecting health is both a personal and societal investment. 3 pillars form the foundation for physical well-being: regular exercise, good nutrition, and restorative sleep. Each offers unique benefits. Activity strengthens the body, nutrition fuels it, and sleep allows for recovery. But together, they work in synergy for better long-term health outcomes, helping us to prevent illness, boost energy, and feel our best. Mental well-being is essential to living a full and meaningful life. Recent UK statistics reveal that mental health issues are widespread and can have serious impacts on individuals and communities. That's why proactively caring for our psychological health is just as important as physical health, and early intervention makes a big difference. Our social ties play a major role in how healthy and happy we are. Research shows strong social connections can lower mortality risk, protect heart and brain health, and even reduce stress. Building this social wealth means making time for face-to-face interactions, nurturing close relationships, widening our social circles, and contributing to our communities. Prevention is better than cure. Regular screenings, vaccinations, dental and vision care, and mental health support catch problems early, saving lives and money in the long run. In fact, NHS data show that for every pound invested in prevention, 14 pounds is saved later. Taking these steps now leads to healthier, more cost-effective futures. Work can bring purpose, but it can also challenge our well-being. The occupational health paradox highlights that while work is necessary, it can negatively affect health through burnout and stress. Organizations have a responsibility to foster a healthy work environment, and individuals can find balance by setting boundaries. Notably, experiments with the 4-day work week show promising results for both health and productivity. Building healthy habits that last starts with small, manageable steps. Shaping your environment, linking new habits to existing ones, and cultivating an identity that supports your goals all help make changes stick. Setbacks will happen. What matters is responding with perseverance and compassion, so progress continues over time. Ultimately, robust health is the foundation upon which a rich life is built. It supports longevity, sharpens the mind, boosts emotional resilience, enables us to leave a positive legacy, and opens doors to new opportunities. Health isn't just the greatest wealth, it's what makes everything else in life possible.